Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So I've already made a video on the care tip for Luella, but a lot of people have been asking me how and when to repot succulents. As I've said that it can take anywhere between 2 to 3 years to repot a succulent. Now this succulent has been in this pot for almost I think 4 to 5 years, if I'm not wrong. It has been in this for a very long time. So in order to get to know when it is the time to repot, now just because I have said it's 2 to 3 years, it doesn't mean that you have to repot your succulent. Before repotting your succulent, there is an important thing that you need to check. So over here I'm going to show you what is that thing that you need to check. Now I have to be extremely careful while doing this. So let me keep the camera here and very slowly and very carefully let me turn the pot, and I hope the soil does not fall out, but you will be able to see this. Now I'll try to turn the pot as much as I can, because otherwise the soil is going to fall off, but I'm sure you'll be able to see this. Now this is what indicates that it's time to repot your succulent, because you can see the drain hole is completely filled with the roots, and these are the roots of Echeveria Luella. She has completely got root bound, and now the roots have started to kind of pierce out from the drain hole. This is another and a very simple indication that it's time to repot your succulent. Now when you are repotting your succulent, I will do it in another video, because right now my soil is completely wet and I do not want to take a chance. As I said, whenever you are doing a repotting, the soil in the pot should be completely bone dry. So I will have to wait for some more time before I go ahead and repot this beauty. Right now the soil is completely wet. So now when I'm going to be repotting it, I will be going to the next bigger pot than this. I'm not going to go with a very large pot, probably another 1 or 2 inches bigger than this. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. So this is a perfect example of indicating that it's time to repot your succulent. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.